Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix can't receive calls on iPhone. So have you ever wondered why you're having this issue? If you're facing this issue, this is what you have to do. The first and foremost step is all about make sure that you're having a good cellular connection. In the sense, your SIM should be working properly. Over here, as you can see, if I go over here, you can see that my cellular connections or the range has been shown there with the bars. So if it is grayed out, that is the reason why this is happening. Maybe your SIM is going through any kind of an outage or some kind of an issue. So make sure this is the first step. Another one thing is all about from here itself. After the second step, you can try turning on an airplane mode and just wait for a couple of seconds and you can turn it off. So what happens is, it's just going to give it a fresh start for your phone, maybe to cellular and all those things. So this might be working for most of the cases. Next one is all about sometimes some person might be trying to connect you but they're not able to receive any kind of things because you might be in the DND. That is the reason. So in my case over here, as you can see, along with the time there is a moon kind of an icon, which means I'm on the DND. So what you need to do is, if you want to turn it off, you have to go over here, just go over here, tap on it, so the DND will be turned off, and that is how you'll be receiving all kind of codes and all those things. Right, so this is how we can. I'll keep it on because we are just doing the video, so we don't want to get hindered by any kind of notification, all those things, and this is what we have to do. And also, after trying with this, still if you're having the trouble, you might be blocked someone, and that might be the reason why the opposite person, even they try to connect to you, you're not receiving any calls. So if you wanted to unblock it, or you can cross check it, so what you need to do is you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to scroll it down all the way down, tap on the apps. Now from here you have to scroll it down, or you can just go over here, search for phone app. Just go over here, search for the phone app, tap on the phone. Now from here you have to scroll it down over here. Now if you scroll it down, you can see at the bottom there is blocked contacts. So if anyone is blocked here, that is the reason that particular person, when they try to call you, it won't be getting connected. So you have to make sure this. And also you just need to go back over here. At the top over here, you have to make sure that you have not set any kind of call forwarding, all those things. As you can see, this is called forwarding. I haven't said anything. So if you actually set up a call forwarding, what happens is when someone tries to call you, you're not going to receive any notifications, but it's going to get on other device, right? So this is what you have to do. And also you have just need to go back, and over here you have to make sure that you have not set the call filtering. This is also very important. Over here, it's not for the call filtering, that's called screen unknown callers. I have set this to never. So if you kept it on silence, all kind of unknown numbers will be directly sent to your voicemail and all those things. So you have to make sure that you have kept this on the never as well. Even after trying with this, still if you're having the trouble, what I'm trying to say is you can try updating your software. Sometimes updating your software might work. So you can just go over here in the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the general. From here, try going for the software update and make sure that you're on the latest update available. And also you can try updating, that might fix. And also make sure that you're having a carrier update, or sometimes, like I said, you might be having a carrier update. For that, you just need to go to the about. Just wait for a couple of seconds. So if you're having any kind of carrier update, you'll be having that over here, but you can update for the carriers, and most probably that's going to help. So these are the things that you need to do when it comes to how to fix you're not receiving any kind of calls on your iPhone. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.